In this video, I'm going to teach you step by step how to make side income in Malaysia, passive income every month using a phone or your PC fast. There's no need to start a business, there's no need to invest, there's no need to trade stocks or forex, no hard costs, no need to quit your job, and you no need to be famous. I have interviewed the CEO of a Malaysian platform that could really help you make your side income every month using your social media account, your phone, and a bit of your time. What we're going to cover in this video are three things. Number one, what are the success stories, people just like you who have been there and done that. How do you start? And why you should start now before the market gets saturated.
How people are making the money, income, using their social media. I'm going to show you some number. Yeah, it's more straightforward, and I think it's more interesting. Here is Alicia, who are using Instagram, and then she has, like, as you can see here, 3,000 over followers. And the good thing to share with you here is that, so she generated total sales amount of 135,000 ringgit from the one campaign through this Instagram, and subsequently, so she earned her commission 7,700 ringgit up to date. So it means it's somewhere around 3 months time period she generated this income. So actually, she has her full-time job, and she just plays around with affiliate marketing, access trade when she has the time. Maybe after work or over the weekend. And what she did is she posted some product information with some review content. Okay, she used this product, and she liked it or she doesn't like it, whatever. And she tried to push why this product is good and why she recommends other people to buy this product, such an information. And she posted a lot of the contents. Yeah, so this was very important, this key success factor, I would say. So she constantly posts information. Okay, I like these brands, I like these products, and this is very useful. I experienced this. And so her followers gradually, got interested in her posting, and then ended up click on her link, and then purchase the product from her link. So I would say her case is very good for everyone to know, because she is not like the VIP, very big, the famous person, but she's rather the micro influencer with the thousands, the 3,000 followers. So not all of us are celebrity. I'm not celebrity, but even the normal people, the micro influencers with Instagram, can generate some income with affiliate marketing.
My own experience shows me that this really works. Evidently, started in July, and this is the earnings, the side income. I'm not spending too much time and effort doing that. And then in August it's a bit less, and then in September it is already at 4 figures. What if I were to give you extra 1,000 or 800 a month? Would you like that? If yes, keep on watching and watch this till the end. Do not skip a single thing.
Another example, who used Twitter. So she's Nira, and she used Access Trade and generated 81,000 ringgit of the sales amount, and then 4,000 ringgit commission. So she earned 4,000 ringgit. And again, so she had the full-time job. She plays around with affiliate marketing when she has the time. So she, like you can see here, she posted the content about the Shopee Malaysia and some mobile phone products, and she posted the quite number of the posts, the contents, and some of the posts goes viral. Like, as you can see here, the many people like her post and then retweet her post. So many more people saw her content, and then from there, some of them interested in her product, and then click on the link and go to Shopee and buy products, right? So this is similar to the previous the case study. And I want to share here that why they are so successful. One of the reasons is that sometimes we provide some voucher code that people can use on Shopee, and if Nira or Alicia, these people blast this coupon code, voucher code, then many more people will be picking up this voucher code and then make a purchase. So many people they love to use the voucher code or discount code and everything. So we Access Trade help our publishers to get more commission by sharing some voucher code. We also sometimes share some very attractive, like a banners, the image banner, so our publisher can use it. So this is one of the collaboration that we are making with our publishers. So at the same time, it doesn't happen to only specific publishers, but we do this with quite a number of publishers. So if you join Access Trade and want to run some campaign, the the collaboration with us, then you might also have some opportunity to use this kind of voucher code collaboration with us. Yeah.
Right. So Nakata-san, what you're saying is, if I go to Shopee, Lazada, so sometimes they run that campaign like September 9, November 11, all that, right? They have a special coupon, so-called voucher or coupon code, right?
Yes.
But what AccessTrade is actually doing on top of that, that this voucher or coupon code actually it is specific to a micro influencer, right? When they are a publisher. So when they post something like that, so how it looks like is that they will say, I review this product. There are 5 things I like about it, maybe 1 thing I don't like about it, but then that 1 thing is not a big deal, right? And then they say, if you have the same needs, use my specific voucher code and use this specific link to go to Shopee and use this link, and you will actually get, like you're not paying extra. Actually, you are paying less, right? By using what you say, there's a special arrangement and collaboration with those publishers that can really so-called push the kind of gain enough attention, right?
Yes, that's right.
For them to actually run that, right? So again, it is the way I see it is a win-win situation if anyone already have a need for that product or services.
Also, after this video end, I want you to go to Google and search for the term passive income in Malaysia. Look for the article that I display over here. You could find more comprehensive information on passive side income that you can make in Malaysia step by step.
Publisher will get commission, and the advertiser. Here, Shopee is advertiser, they get more sales. And then our job is to negotiate with Shopee and then give specific voucher code for our publishers to attract their followers. Yeah. So for e-commerce campaign, this collaboration works very well, especially when the big day comes. For example, 9/9 or 10/10, 11/11. These are the time many more people make a purchase from the online store.
Basically, they are doing this part-time. Using this, they have some followers. You don't have to be 3 million, not even 30,000, right? Just like 3,000 just now, right? And that is, I would once, I would want 7,000 a month on on my bank account, right? just like that, just by promoting something I'm using anyway, right?
Yes, that's right. So again, the benefit of this affiliate marketing is that you don't have a commitment, right? So if you have your client and then you work on some projects, then you have a client, you have a commitment. But good thing about affiliate marketing is that, okay, it's up to you how many hours you spend for this and how much you earn. It will be depending on your efforts. Yeah. So maybe this is not the huge money that you can get from the month 1, but it should be fine for you. Yeah. Maybe you have some other income sources, maybe your full-time job, or maybe your investment, or maybe your part-time job. I'm not sure about that. But maybe you can consider, okay, affiliate marketing can be additional income source for you at this moment. Maybe after some time, then you will build your traffic to be bigger. Maybe you can focus on affiliate marketing in the future, but this is a possibility. Yes.
Or if you are retrenched, you have something to back you up, right? If anyone
yes.
And this I think not everyone is actually looking to make 7,000, 3,000, or even 4,000 on their first month, right? What I think the gist of what everyone should be doing, or you should be doing, is if you start with this, and even if you make a few hundreds a month, at least there's a proof of concept to say that this works and there's real money without you putting any money in.
Yes.
Only putting in some of your extra time. And everybody is already using social media anyway, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, whatever. So basically you are monetizing your time on all social media rather than become like 100% consumer. You can consume some content. However, wouldn't it be great if you could actually also monetize the time that you're on all these social media platforms? And this, I think without this kind of tracking system, without AccessTrade, the kind of affiliate tracking system, there's no way maybe you can actually do that. But with this could be some of the best option that you have without investing your own money, right? Other than some of your time outside of work to actually generate real ringgit, dollar, and cents.
Yes, I agree with you. Yes, so if we have plenty of money, then we can invest our money to make more money. But this affiliate marketing is a little bit different story. So even if you don't have this, the money in hand, but maybe you can invest your time into this affiliate marketing to generate some good income. So it can happen to people. And then, the good thing is that most of the people, have their own social account. And then many people enjoy posting some content to their social account. So this affiliate marketing activity is not something, very different from whatever the people are doing every day, but it's more like in line with their day-to-day action. And I would say it's rather fun thing to do because everyone buy products and then everyone wants to share their experience with people. And affiliate marketing is something that monetize such actions that people make. So this is something that I want to highlight. Yeah, what our publishers are enjoying from AccessTrade.
Right, that's great because all you need is time Buy a phone, right? A phone. I'm not sure if you see that, but a phone, right? And also, of course, an internet connection.
We are providing affiliate networks called Access Trade. So this is our in-house products. And then we've been running this product for 21 years, starting from Tokyo. We entered Malaysia 3 years ago. So in Malaysia, we are relatively new. But here is the thing. So affiliate network is a platform where anyone can join and then potentially make some side income. Or if you are good enough, then it can be your main revenue channel as well. Yeah. So how it starts is that you can come to our website and then register yourself as a publisher. And then here, good thing is that it's very simple. You just put some information. For example, what is your Facebook account URL? What is your name? It's just something like that, honestly speaking. And there's no sign up fee, or you don't have to buy anything. It's just very simple. Anyone can be our publishers as long as they have their website or social accounts on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or YouTube.
Leave a comment below. I want it, so I could send you an invite link to join the platform that the CEO, Mr. Nakata-san, mentioned.
It's important that you connect with the advertisers. For example, Adidas. This is just one of the examples. So we have many advertisers. For example, Adidas, Shopee, Lazada, or any travel agency, or any financial product owner like a banking or insurance provider. So you can select any advertiser from our list, and you can connect with them. So all these activities will happen in our dashboard. So you don't have to talk to advertiser. You don't have to see them. It just happens online. So it's very simple. As you can see, we have quite a number of top-tier brands in Malaysia as our advertisers, including Shopee, Zalora, and Watsons, Adidas, Lazada, Alibaba, Berger, Sompo, Time, Damakan, and Klook. So all these are the brands that you can apply if you join our network. That means you can potentially promote the products any of these campaigns have. You're not gonna face any challenge to find the products that you want to promote, because we have some marketplaces like Shopee and Lazada. Yeah, no shortage in the options, maybe too many, but that one maybe that will produce another problem for you. You know, you don't know which one to select, but no worries, you can take time to find your favorite products on the marketplaces. Yeah.
I think different merchant, right, pays a different commission. Maybe some of them are percentage, some of them are actually a flat rate, right, per successful referral or sale. So the only way you could actually know this, like what are the highest, you know, what are the product, or what merchant is the highest, I would suggest you click on the description below and, you know, use that link to actually register to Access Trade. Because, you know, once you are in there, and then only you can see what are the things that are suitable for you, what are the merchant, and how much they pay.
And what happens next is that you post some campaign details with some caption on your social media platform. It can be Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, or any other. So it means that you promote our advertiser information on your social media or website. So if your followers are interested in information, then they will see your posting, and then they will click on your link. So this link is so-called affiliate link. And then what's going to happen, that's final stage, is earn. So if people click on your link, then people go to advertiser website, for example, Adidas. And then if, let's say, they make any purchase of the products, then you will get your commission. So commission, there are different commission rate for, you know, all the campaigns, but it can be, for example, 5% of the transaction amount, you know. So if your friends go to Adidas from your link, purchase 100 ringgit products, then you're gonna earn 5%, which is 5 ringgit. It goes something like that. It's very simple. So again, it just happens online. You don't need to buy the Adidas products and sell it to people.
And here's the thing, there's no what we call a startup cost, right? Overheads and all that, because the platform is there. You don't have to make your own products. You know, you don't have to buy some products from China. You know, people say they do drop shipping, you know, but still you need a website, you need to set up the infrastructure and all that. So in that case, affiliate marketing is something, the platform is there. And, you know, as Access Trade as a platform actually tracks who actually buys a certain product, which is not yours, but probably something that you have been using, something that you believe in. And then, you know, it's about word of mouth, right? Nakata-san said, right? And I believe, even though you are not a big influencer with like millions of followers or whatnot, I think even within your friends and family, we somehow, among our friends and family, we are what we call as a circle of influence, right? If you use the affiliate link, basically, people are not paying more, right? They are not paying more. It's just you are getting some cashback, like credit card cashback, based on the transaction value.
Yes.
Right.
Yes. That's right. The one important thing that you just highlighted, thank you so much. So we have our tracking system. So I mentioned this affiliate link. So if people click on affiliate link, then it counts one click, right? And then from there, if people buy some products, that is one purchase, right? And then all this information is recorded in our system. And then you can log into our dashboard. And then you can view real-time information, how many clicks you get, how many sales you get, how many commission you get.
Now, if you missed the previous video that I published previously on how to make passive income in Malaysia with no money, I want you to go to my channel, Seafield channel, and then check out this exact video.
This is my quotes, right? So social media is one of the most stress-free and profitable digital marketing platforms that can be used. Why I say this? Basically, I have 10 years experience in SEO and digital marketing, and I'm staying in Malaysia for some years. 3.5 billion social media users, which equates to about 40% of the whole population on this globe. And an average of 3 hours per day is spent on social networks and messaging. And customers are using social media as well. So 54% of the social browsers use social media to research products. So whenever people try to buy some products online, then they come to social media and search for some information. In other words, if you want to market any products online, then social media is a very good channel where you do so. You can easily try to reach to your audiences over here. So 71% of consumers who have had a positive experience with a brand on social media are likely to recommend the brand to their friends and family. So, when people buy products and then people consume products and then they feel happy, then they will, give some words of mouth to people. And then, they have close relationship with their friends and family, maybe colleagues. And then these people likely to try the products because, they recommended to do so. So this kind of behavior on social media is becoming very normal and happening everywhere.
To add on that, I think it's because social media, some people, maybe the older generation might think that it's bad, but it's not. It's just a tool of communication, and it is like a knife, right? You could use a knife to actually make great dishes, or you could actually use a knife to do bad things. So it's depending on how you use social media, right?
Yeah, you can say that. This shows that what are the specific niche of the product which has the increase or decrease in terms of the demand, the consumer demand during COVID-19. So if you look at this, this one, it's the food. It has the very big hype of the consumer demand during the COVID-19. It means many more people buy foods online. It's very simple. People just don't want to go out to the offline retail store, supermarket to buy foods in order to avoid risk. If you're a marketer, this is a very good time for you to market such a products on social media and any other online media as well. My message is, just please consider affiliate marketing and nothing to lose. You can register to Access Trade for free to start your journey. And we are very happy to give you support to make you be a successful publisher following our case studies. And in Malaysia, there are still not so many people using affiliate marketing, but we are trying to make our effort to expand the market. So it will be very good for you to be an early bird to join the group, because it's not saturated. They're a very good opportunity for you to earn. And once again, personally, why I like affiliate marketing is that people can generate some good side income source by using their own skill or their own uniqueness. I'm really happy to see people, making more money and feeling happy with Access Trade. Yeah.